Hey friends, if you wish to delete browsing history in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So click on this hamburger symbol at the top right corner, select history, and then click on manage history. Okay, it will show you all the history. And if you wish to delete it, then here's what you have to do. Click on this, select history, and then click on clear recent history. Let's say you wish to clear it for the last 1 hour, or let's say for the last since the previous day. So here's what you can do. You can select this option and then select what all you wish to delete. By default, these four informations are saved, but you can also delete site settings, and then you can click on clear. Okay, I'll remove this one, and then you can click on clear to delete the details. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.